Now, from an artificial intelligence perspective, as we increasingly use robos, she's got a variety of different names, but we can call her Nia. This is from Soul Machines. This is a high-definition neural network avatar. So she's essentially a bot, but she's a very, very advanced bot. There are videos of her, basically her friends. One of her friends has just taught 250,000 school children about renewable energy. She's being used by Mercedes-Benz in customer service. She's being used by Rolls-Royce. She's being used in NatWest, basically to start selling mortgages or at least advising on mortgages and all sorts of things.